How to send photos in TikTok Messages. Hi everyone, this is Rose from Create Login and Delete. Without further ado, let's dive right into the video. In order to send photos in TikTok Messages, first of all, make sure you follow each other on TikTok. If you haven't yet, then make sure you follow from today only in order to send photos in TikTok Messages. If not, you will not be able to send photos. Simply now head towards TikTok and then open your home screen. Now you have to select inbox icon at bottom right corner of the screen. Choose a friend whom you wanna send a photo. Currently I haven't followed this user, so tap follow back and then you'll be able to now send photos. Tap on the photo icon or the gallery icon at bottom right and choose a picture. After that you have to select the send button and then you can see that you have to edit permission settings to send and receive direct messages. So let's go ahead and to profile, select three line icon at top right corner, tap settings and privacy. Choose privacy and toggle the button off and make it to the public account. After that, you have to select direct messages and tap allow direct messages and select everyone. And once you have done that, you can easily send photos in TikTok messages. I hope this guide was helpful. If it was, then do like, share, comment, and don't forget to subscribe. Thank you for watching and see you in the next video.